Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Art Adventures. It is officially Inktober. I'm super excited because this is my first Inktober ever. I went ahead and did this a little doodle that I did for the first day, which is fish. I'm a day late. It's day 2, and I did a second drawing. But unfortunately, you're gonna get this about a week late. I'm gonna be posting these as I go, but I'm going to start doing it a couple days later, just because my family's in town and I don't have time to actually go ahead and post anything with the intentions of getting it out exactly on what day. They're actually at my house. They're kind of waiting on me right now, and I am done with work for the week. And so I'm going to do this before I leave. I'm using this Pentel Pocket brush pen and kind of quickly sketching this out. I don't really necessarily need it to be perfect, just because this is Inktober, and Inktober isn't anything that's like a commission piece or anything, or it doesn't have to be necessarily perfect. Most people are just doing sketches and doodles. And a lot of people do take it super serious and try to produce some high quality stuff. I just thought, hey, it's my first Inktober ever, and I missed a day because I've been super busy. So I'm a day late, but it's all right. I'm gonna get started on this and show you guys what I'm doing. So today's prompt that was on the Inktober Instagram page that Jake Parker started a few years back. Today's prompt was fish, and it's kind of scrolling through, kind of cheated a little bit, but scrolled through some Instagram work that I found, and some really cool ideas. But one thing that I've really enjoyed for the past, I'm gonna say two or 3 weeks, is there's some people that are doing some Among Us custom character designs, and I really enjoyed those. So if you can't tell by the blue, Prismacolor pencil design that I did, the initial sketch, I did an Among Us character design for this, and that's what I'm going with. Is I'm going to do the entire month of Inktober as Among Us characters that I kind of come up with on my own, hopefully, and hopefully they're super original. But yeah, this is the Fortnite character. I don't know his name. It's not Fish Stick, because Fish Stick is not inside of a tank, but it is a fish. It's almost like an angler fish without the light bulb thing. It's a really ugly fish inside of a fishbowl as his head. And whoever that is, let me know in the comments, because I don't know his name. But I knew I wanted to do something like that because I saw some people did some fish in fish bowls. Some people did some really cool, almost like the Pumpkin King fishing. And I saw some stuff like that was really cool. And I was like, man, that was genius. Instead of doing like an actual fish, some people are doing actual fish. Some people have fish being like not even the main part of their piece, their work, but kind of like an accent piece of some sort. But yeah, so mine is going to be that Fortnite character. I don't know his name, so let me know in the comments, and we'll go from there. But I was watching a video of Jake Parker use a specific brush pen. It wasn't an actual brush pen. I can't remember exactly what it was. I just know that he did a dinosaur the other day, and he used a specific thing. And I was like, man, I haven't used my Pentel Pocket brush pen in a while. I haven't watched Kesh in a while because I've been busy with work. So I've kind of been off my YouTube game as far as my actual work goes. I've been posting a ton of videos for the class that I'm teaching, my art class or my STEM class, STEAMing class, and I've been doing stuff like that, but nothing for my personal work. And so, with that being said, this is the first thing I've posted in a while that is like my work, which I'm glad that I'm doing this. Now these are unedited videos just like my schoolwork, because I don't have the time right now to do recorded videos and edited. So yeah, this is gonna be kind of like a live feed, even though live doesn't mean recorded and posted, but you know what I mean. So yeah, this is, I was excited when I came up with this idea to do this Fortnite character as the Among Us. I haven't seen too many people doing the Among Us. I've seen some people do some, but I mixed this Fortnite character with the Among Us theme, and that's what I'm gonna go with. But I am super excited. I'm trying to hurry up because my parents are at my house. And they come from 2 hours away. So I'm trying to do this so I can go see them. I haven't seen them in about a month. And I would love to go spend as much time as possible. But I know if I go home without doing this, it'll be a whole week before I get any of these done. And I really, really want to get this done before I go home, because this is my first Inktober ever. I've never done an Inktober, so I'm super excited kind of for the response that I'm going to get from this. I hope it's good. You guys let me know in the comments whether or not you like this or not, but I love this Pentel Pocket Brush Pen. I'm starting to get kind of good at it. I've noticed I have to just let it go. And it's hard because I want it to look perfect, but I know that the looser I am, the better it's gonna look, because it's natural and it's not like this super well put together piece of artwork. The lines aren't perfect, but it looks good. And I just really got to get behind myself when it comes to that. Now, I will say, I'm not gonna color these yet. I will color them eventually. Just don't want to do it yet because I know that's gonna take a long time, and it's not an edited video like I've been saying, so I'll edit them at some point. I'm just doing this really basic fish here, just to kind of go with the theme. So anyways, yeah, I'm not gonna outline the black or the blue shaded part. I'm just gonna shade it later in a different color. But yeah, that is my finished work for day one of Inktober. I really like this design, and I'm super excited for Inktober. I'm super excited to do these Among Us characters, and this guy is pretty cool, and I'm loving this pocket brush pen. So yeah, I'm gonna give this some color at a later date, but for that, I am out for my first day ever of Inktober. See you guys on the next one. Bye.